All right, we're gonna use beef smoked sausage. You can use whatever you like. Cut this up into just medium size pieces. Just want to keep them even sized pieces. Next, we got some carrots that were in the fridge, so we're just gonna chop those up. We're gonna make these kind of smaller because these are some of the slower cooking vegetables. So we're not gonna get too big. Next, we got just some white mushrooms that are already sliced. We got a pound here. We're gonna add those in. Next, we have some Brussels sprouts that have been washed, and I cut those in half. I'm gonna add those in. And now we just have some white potatoes. We're gonna slice them up. Cut those into smallish pieces because these cook a little slower than the rest as well. I'm just gonna give these a coarse chop. So now we have our big bowl of sausage and chopped up vegetables. We're gonna take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna just carefully roll that around to spread the oil around. So now we're gonna take all of our vegetables and sausage and dump it on a big pan. And we're gonna shake this out a little bit to even it up. Next, we're gonna take some Italian seasoning, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon, give or take. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili powder, maybe a teaspoon. And we're gonna go with about a teaspoon of just regular salt. And maybe half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of black pepper. And when we put this in the oven, we're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes. And then we're gonna go and turn this over with a spatula so those seasonings will get good and mixed in. So. Okay, this is preheated at 425, and we're gonna let that go for 20 minutes. And with this many vegetables, it's gonna take probably 40 minutes, but we'll go by color, so we'll see you in just a little bit. All right, first 20 minutes, looking good. So we're gonna give this a little stir. All right, we're gonna go back in for another 20 minutes. All right, we're gonna pull it out and check it out. Looks amazing and smells amazing. Let's check a potato to make sure it's tender, fork tender. Yep, fork tender. Mushrooms are done. Another potato done. These look really, really good. It smells amazing. All right, I'm gonna taste test. I don't know what to start with, but let's just start with a potato. Nice and soft. Delicious. Here's a mushroom. Delicious. And then my favorite, some sausage. Ooh, awesome, awesome. Great meal, healthy, tons of fiber, lots of nutrients. Sausage is maybe on the fatty side, but I think overall it's a healthy meal. Thanks for watching, enjoy.